Hi everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele washing machine and you're getting an error F53. So what is this error and can we get rid of it? So some of the errors are real easy to get rid of, and some of them are a little bit harder. This is one of the ones that's kind of harder to fix because there's a speed sensor in here, and this error is showing that speed sensor is defective or there's a fault in it. So it's probably going to need to be replaced, and so to get it replaced you're probably going to need to call a technician to have it done. But I would recommend before you do that is you do a hard restart on the machine. So to do that, what you want to do is turn the machine off and cut it from power completely. So that means unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit. And leave it unconnected from power for a full minute, and then plug it back in and see if this error doesn't not come back. And again, if it does, that speed sensor fault is probably going to need to be replaced. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.